Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky, and I'm back to do a review unboxing, and if you see the name, it's an Breitling, but an AreoSpace version. So yeah, you're looking at here as a multifunctional chronograph pilot's watch with a hybrid analog slash digital ani-digi layout. Launched by Breitling SA in 1985. Could have been in the spring or in the summer of 85. Whichever time it was in 1985. The earliest versions of the AreoSpace models are 40 millimeters titanium, which is you're looking at in the photo. This is the Advantage version, AreoSpace Advantage, and of course the watch complications all controlled via small crown, which is obviously at the 3 o'clock section, right there. And there. And this one here is the Navi Timer version. You know that this was part of the Breitling Navi Timer that had ani-digi back in the day, but until it became a victim of the quartz crisis. So yeah, I highly doubt they never go back to Navi Timer never went back to ani-digi. So yeah. So it's at the 3 o'clock position for access to the crown. And then the original reference number was 80360, which display the Navi timer on the dial, and it has a titanium bracelet. So yeah, if anybody's familiar with the Breitling AreoSpace, let me know in the comments. And as well as, has anybody ever owned a Breitling? Let me know as well. And all you young BUCKSs, pay attention to the details very carefully. There are like multiple variations of the AreoSpace models. So here, folks, you're looking at here is the very early days of Breitling in 1985. And these are very rare now. Depends on what conditions they're in, the elements, you know, the previous owner took care of it. You know, depends. And of course, if I'm not mistakenly, this was worn by, well, this particular model, well, they're kind of the same, but these particular ones was worn by John Travolta in Broken Arrow. That would be the second American film directed by a director named John Woo. He plays the villain by the name of Major Vic Deakins, who went rogue, stealing thermonuclear weapons. So yeah, and that would be this particular one, the 80360. So yeah, and these models are still popular for watch nerds or pilots, or the average blue-collar people that like the ani-digi versions, going back many years ago. So yeah. And of course, Breitling did up their game over the course of many years since its initial release. And there's orange style versions, and then there's the Midnight Evo version, which yeah, this one's mine, by the way. What are the odds? I don't have it on this one. I have it in a rubber strap of Breitlings. So yeah. Here are more AreoSpace models going back many years, and well, these are the early years. And of course, you got the two-tone version, you got the silver version with a compass, or is it a quartz version? Can't even tell. And here's a gold version with the brown straps. So yeah. Look at that, Harrison Ford rocking with a AreoSpace. Very cool, very rad. So yeah. And also, if anybody's mother or father or grandparents ever had a AreoSpace in their possession, or still has, let me know in the comments. Your choice if you wanted to put it on a rubber strap or this kind of band like nylon or leather, or just leave it on the bracelet. It's your choice, folks. That's all there is to it. So enough chit chat, folks. Let's unbox it. Like now. Alright, folks. So with all that out of the way, let's go on the unboxing and check it out. here it is. But also, you got your Breitling box with the logo since 1884 with the classic B on it. Nothing on the bottom, but all good craftsmen and such. Okay. Slide it out. Come on. You gotta hold on tight to these things. Wow. Okay. Plastic packaging. Genuine leather. Open it up. Here's the watch, folks. Say hello to the AreoSpace Evo. And it's on a Breitling rubber strap. So let's look at the accoutrements. But before that, let's see close. The protector in here. AreoSpace Evo. And it's got paper, of course, details about it, warranty card, the whole 9 yards of a whole slew of things in various languages. And you get one of these things, and they, hold on a second, electronic warrant. Very cool. Wow. Wish the person still works there. So yeah, I got this in New York in 2019, and I gotta say, alright. And it is a state-of-the-art technology. Sure about the other version, but oh well. Beggars can't be choosers. I liked it because of the way it appeared and everything. Yeah, slide that in. Okay, you got manuals. This is how it looks. The languages of the settings and the pages of the where you can read. Alrighty, so this is in military time mode, so I'm gonna leave it like that. And then let's see. Goes blank. Does glow when you change. You got your alarm. That's off or off. That's a good thing. Keep scrolling it and scrolling it. Already got. Here it is. Gotta push it as hard. You got your chrono. Press that. You hold it. And voila. And you got your second time zone. You got timer. But you have to adjust it yourself. You got your dates, day of the week, year, as well you just saw, and this is your seconds. Back to where you were. So right now it's 6:21, folks. Military time, 16:22. So yeah, that's all you have to know much about this AreoSpace technology, Evo edition. And I'm on this strap, the rubber, Breitling edition. See much on this one. Then here. There's a different type of loop, and I'll show you what it looks like on the Sparky wrist. And here's the back. Pause that very carefully, folks. That's right. Good coordinations, folks. And I'm going to show you something cool of this feature, by the way. When you scroll down, it starts to glow. By the end of this video, you're going to see that. And let's hear a little tickering, folks. So folks, so yeah, back to where we were. And now let's see how it looks on the Sparky wrist. Now hold on, folks. Alrighty, here it is, folks, on the Sparky wrist. This is a 42mm, baby. And I believe it's titanium, but all in all, it's kicking ass. This angle as well. So yeah, folks, this is how it looks. So no chit-chat, folks. Let's play the music to represent this watch. Like right now, let's go. Alrighty, y'all. So with all that out of the way, we're gonna be playing the music from 2015 to represent this year watch. And what music are we gonna be playing? And also, this watch came out on August 14, 2015. So let's play a song called Gravity by Turnstile. That's Turn, S-T-I-L-E. That's the last few words. With their hit song, Gravity. Enjoy, folks. That was Gravity by Turnstile, released in 2015 from their hit album, Non-Stop Feeling, baby. That's right, Non-Stop Feeling is the album. So, folks, if you like content like this or any other content, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified when new uploads. Like the videos, comments down below. Have any opinion related to the content, comments down below. And also, I always appreciate thumbs ups as well. That's right. And also I'm in the YouTube / post community section. Check what time I am going to be posting a certain video. Keep an eye on that as well. And there's early content for, like, say, pre-orders from Creator VC, Indiegogo, Kickstarter, or CSR Collectibles, or any other websites that does pre-order autographed products and items. The links will be in the description box down below. That's right, folks. So yeah. Plus, let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, convention goers, and electronic collectors, and all you collectors out there. Oh, and let's give a shout outs to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shout outs to you guys. You rule, y'all. So, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Tuesday, y'all, and enjoy spring break. Later, y'all.